Hello viewers, today we are going to learn order by clause, distinct clause and is null operator in MySQL. This is part 6 of MySQL topic. What is the use of order clause? The order by keyword used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sort the records in ascending order by default. But in case if you want to change the order preference in descending order, kindly use DESC keyword for the order by clause in descending order. ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Let's have a practical on MySQL software. Use school select asterisk from student. Now we want to the category name must be show in ascending or descending order. Let's have a look. Select name, age and city. You can also use asterisk for all column name. Okay. From student order by name, that is column name, and if you not type ASC, it's definitely by default use ascending order. Just have a look. Okay, you get the result in ascending order: Aditi, Atul, Manish, Rajesh, Ram and Simran. Other example of that: name in descending order, DESC. Simran, Ram, Rajesh, Manish, Atul and Aditi. Let's have a look for all column name. Asterisk. You get all the column result in the name descending order. Now next topic is distinct clause in SQL. The MySQL select distinct statement. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct values. Inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different, that is distinct values. The syntax is select distinct column first, second or so on from table name. डिस्टिंक्ट आपको रिपीटेड यानी डुप्लीकेट डेटा को ओमिट करता है और एक यूनिक रिजल्ट का ही रिकॉर्ड सेट डिस्प्ले करता है. ओके, लेट्स हैव अ प्रैक्टिकल. select asterisk from student. For example, I am consider age because of age may be repeated. For example, 19 have been repeated, gender have been repeated, and city have been repeated. So type select distinct age, gender, city from student. ये रिपीट इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि एज आपका यूनिक होना चाहिए और आपका चलिए एक एक करके इसको देखते हैं तो सबसे पहले एज को लेते हैं फिर जेंडर को लेते हैं और देन आफ्टर सिटी टाइप ओनली एज you get the result age 19 20 22 25 and 26 they have not repeated yet then after age gender only two either be male or either be female this is called distinct and now it's time to get distinct result of city only three are available three city are available Patna Agra and Lucknow let's have a look of complete result of table student 19 have been repeated gender in gender male female male and city Patna have two times Lucknow have two times but in result you get only three this is called distinct now next function is null is null function returns 1 or 0 depending on whether an expression is null or not. Now, let's have a look in MySQL software. For demonstrating the function is null, I am creating a new table named teacher. I have just created in background. I have show you show tables teacher. Now describe the teacher. Describe teacher TID, TNAME and TH. Three fields data type null yes default value null and now after inserting the values now I am going to display the data available in teacher from teacher null is here and null is in TH, TID on the TID1 and TID2. Now just query it by typing select asterisk from teacher where TID is null. At the place of Rama Shankar, I have found TID is null. If I get the result all the null in TH, what will I have type? Just type select asterisk from teacher where TH is null. You get only two places where TH is null. TID at the place of TID 1 and 2. Select asterisk from teacher. Just compare it, complete data, and after query is null in TH. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.